Making money on HubPages as a beginner involves writing quality articles and utilizing the platform's monetization opportunities. Here's how to get started. Create quality content. Focus on writing well-researched, informative, and engaging content that addresses popular topics or answers questions. HubPages has a community-driven platform, so providing value will help attract readers. Join the HubPages ad program. Sign up for the HubPages ad program to monetize your articles. HubPages will place ads on your content, and you will earn money based on clicks and impressions. The more traffic your articles get, the more you can earn. Affiliate marketing. HubPages allows you to include affiliate links within your articles. By promoting products or services related to your niche, you can earn commission when readers make purchases through your affiliate links. Amazon and eBay affiliates. You can also join Amazon Associates or eBay Partner Network and include affiliate links to products in your articles. When readers buy through these links, you receive a percentage of the sale. Traffic and SEO. Optimize your articles for search engines by using relevant keywords. The more traffic your articles get, the more you can earn from ads and affiliate links.